in this river of life. I hold you tight. Your laughter and tears, like echoes in the night, mirror my own journey, my own internal fight. To you I offer dreams amid life's rough seas, where men must be anchors, yet as free as the breeze. Life's intricate ballet, lessons hard and true. In your every choice, I see my father too. Confront the struggles, love's bittersweet taste. In those layered moments, let my lessons not be erased. Deep in your soul, I see my reflection clear, a lineage of men, with joys and with fear. Yet the time will come, when I must let go, release you to life, to love, to grow. Within you, the hope for a brighter dawn, not shadowed by my past, but by your own song. Teach you to love, yet also to stand, in a world that often deals a challenging hand. In you, dear son, both past and future take note, a new chapter written, as I let go of the boat.